Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to look at the third aspect of polygon, and we are going to conclude the topic today. So I have three questions here. So the first one is taken from WAEC past question 2022 number 11A, and the question says the exterior angle of a polygon, the exterior angles of a polygon are 42 degrees, 38 degrees, 57 degrees, x plus y degrees, 2x minus 15 degrees, and 3x minus y degrees. If x is 3 degrees less than y, find the values of x and y. So if you can recall, in our previous class, we said that sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degrees, meaning that if we add all these exterior angles together, that is 42 plus 38 plus 57 plus plus x plus y plus 2x minus 15 plus 3x minus y, everything will be equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degrees. Now, if we add everything together, so let's try and add everything. This will give me 80. 80 plus 57, that will give us 137. So if we add 137 with okay, we have 137. Let's remove 15 from it. So adding these three together will give us 137 minus 15. So we have 2, 2, 1. That's 122. So 122. Now you can see that I got this 122 by adding 42, 38, 57, then minus 15. The one with x, this has x, another x, give me 2x, plus 2x here, that's 4x, plus 3x, I'm going to have plus 7x. So then the next one, those one with y, I have plus y here, and I have minus y. Plus y minus y will cancel out. So I'm going to have 122 plus 7x equal to 360. So if I collect the like times, I will have 7x equal to 360 minus 122. And if we do the subtraction, 360 minus 122, we are going to have we have 7x equal to 238. Then by the time you divide both sides by 7, you have 7 will cancel itself here. Then 238 divided by 7. This will give us 7 here, 1. 7 in 23 will give me 3. Remainder 2. Here 4. So x will be equal to 34 degrees. So if x is equal to 34 degrees, the question says if x is 3 degrees less than y, we should find the value of x and y. Meaning that x is equal to 3 degrees less than y, mean y minus 3 degrees. And what is x? 34 degrees equal to y minus 3 degrees. When you collect the like times, we are going to have 34 degrees plus 3 degrees equal to y. That is bringing this one to this side, become positive. So this plus this will give me 37 degrees, which is equal to y. That means y will be equal to 37 degrees. So that is how to solve that. Now let's move to the second question. The second question here is taken from 2019, number 6B. The question says, given this diagram, we are to find the value of x. So if you are to find the value of x, if you look at this shape, what type of polygon is this? Let's look at number of sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it's a 5-sided polygon, that means it is a pentagon. And if you want to get the sum of angles, that will give me n minus 2 times 180. And since n, number of sides is 5, so I'm going to have 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which will give me what? 3 times 180 degrees, and that is 540 degrees. So I believe you understand that. So we have gotten the sum of the angles. So what else are we going to do? I will add all the angles together. That is x plus, I'm starting from here, and I'm going to do it clockwise. So x plus 20 plus x plus 40 plus x plus 80 plus x plus 60. X plus 60. Everything will be equal to sum of the angle that we calculated, that's 540 degrees. So now, how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5x plus 20 plus 40, that is 60. 60 plus 80, that will give us what? 60 plus 80. Can I hear you? That's 140. Now 140 plus 60, that will give me 200, equal to 540 degrees. Now 5x will now be equal to, if we collect like terms, we have 540 degrees minus 200 degrees, and 5x will now be equal to 540 minus 200, that will give me 340. 340. Now let's divide both sides by 5. X will now be equal to 340 over 5. And from here, and we have x equal to 5 here, 1, 5 in 34, that is 6. Remainder 4 in 40, 8. So that means the value of x will be equal to 68 degrees. So it's as simple as this. What have I done here? What I did was that I add all the angles together. Okay? After adding them together, I equate them to the sum of angles that I calculated here, using the number of sides, which is 5. When I use the number of sides to calculate the angle, I got 540 degrees. Then when I add how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gave me 5x. Then if you add everything here together, you have 200. And if you collect the like times and subtract, you are going to have 340. Divide both sides by 5. It will give you your final answer. So we stop here. Now, we are moving to the third question. So this question here, if you look at it, the question says that the ratio of the interior angle or to the ratio of an interior angle to an exterior angle of a regular polygon is 4:1. Find the number of sides, find the value of exterior angle, And the last one is find the sum of the interior angle of the polygon. This is from 2024, number 11A, WAEC. So the solution is very simple. Now, what are we going to do here? Very simple. If you can recall, I said it in the previous classes that if you are looking for some of the interior, if you are looking for the interior angle of any polygon, interior angle, just one angle, it will be n minus 2 times 180, which is the sum of the interior angle divided by n. Okay? Then the question said the ratio of the interior angle to the exterior angle of a regular polygon is what? 4:1. Okay? This one ratio, what is the exterior angle? Based on the previous formula, I said to get the exterior angle, you use this formula, 360 over n. So this one will now be equal to 4:1. So from here, it's very simple. You can write it as n minus 2 times 180 over n, then divided by 360 over n equal to 4 divided by 1. Okay? So we now have n, you have to put this inside bracket, minus 2 in bracket times 180 over n times, when the division sign change to times, in a fraction, the one down will go up and the one up will come down. So that this will cancel this, 180 here 1, 180 here 2, equal to 4 divided by 1 will give me 4 over 1. So from here, we are going to have n minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 4 over 1. Okay? So when you cross multiply, you are going to have 1 times this will give me n minus 2 equal to 8. Bring this out, you are going to have n equal to 8 plus 2, because minus 2 coming out to give me plus. Then n will be equal to this plus this, that will be 10. So you can see it now. This means that the polygon have how many sides? 10 sides. Because the question says I should find the number of sides of the polygon. Then the next question, the Roman figure 2. This is for Roman figure 1. It's for Roman figure 1. So Roman figure 2 say that I should find the value of the exterior angle. Oh, that's even easier. The exterior angle, don't forget the formula is 360 over n. So from here, we are going to have 360 over 10, and that will give me 36 degrees. It's as simple as that. Now, let me do the Roman figure 3 here. So, the third question, Roman figure 3, says sum of the interior angle of the polygon, sum of the interior angles of the polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180. And since my n is 10, I will just say 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees. That will give me 8 times 180 degrees. And that will be equal to 8 times 180. 8 times 0 will give me 0. 64, 4 carry 6. So I'm going to have 1,440 degrees. So that is it. You see that it did not even take me much time to solve this question. So we can stop here for today. Have a wonderful day.